Hello and welcome to realityfuturestrading.com. In today's video, I was going to be going over some of the trades that I took for my Topstep Trader Combine, but thanks to Hurricane Sandy and the big East Coast shutdown, well, I didn't do a darn thing today, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tell you why. First thing that I want to show you guys real quick is I am currently doing a combine, which is a tryout, if you will, and I chose to do the $100,000 combine. I'm doing a 10-day combine, which I have 30 days to complete. I have a daily loss limit of $2,000. Now, if I break that loss limit at any given time, regardless of how profitable I am, I will get squashed and I will have to start over again. This combine does allow me to do a position size of 10, and at the end of my combine I have a profit goal of $8,500. Now I'm going to go ahead and point out that I did pay $150 for my combine, and I also have a membership. So you can see that by having a membership, it does save you a little bit of money. And also, I guess without the membership, I'd have to do the basic plus or maybe just the basic. But with the membership, it does give you a practice account. It also gives you a trade report for your practice account, which I'm going to show you that here in a second. And it looks like some discounts here on private coaching as well. I'm going to go ahead and jump up here into my account. Let me show you the value of having the trade report. Click on that, and basically what it does is it brings you to this page right here where this is how they do the reporting. Now, one of the criteria for the combine is they want to see you in your average winner longer than your average loser. So in this case for oil, so far I've got a little red spot here in my practice account for crude oil. However, if we go over here to the NASDAQ, my average losing duration was 3 minutes. My average winner was 35 minutes. So that's exactly what they want to see. Now, this was done in my practice account, and one of the big reasons I suggest doing a practice account is just you want to make sure that your strategy lines up before you go and pay for a combine. Well, that is enough of that. Let's go ahead and then let's get down to business and take a look at the oil market today. All right, I am going to go ahead and I am going to leave the crosshairs up here, and let's take a look at the oil market for the day. Looks like the move of the day happened at about 4 o'clock this morning during the London markets. I was not around for that. And then as we move along, let's take a look at that 7 o'clock opener, which is right here. We do get a signal, however, as we can see, we did not go very far. One of the things that I'm going to attribute that behavior to is I'm going to drag my daily volume over here, and if we take a look at the CL right here, it's currently 15 minutes after 11 or quarter after 1 Eastern Standard Time, and we've only got 68,000 contracts traded. And I'm pretty sure, I'm willing to bet that volume is so low because of what's going on the East Coast with Hurricane Sandy. The other thing that I'm going to point out here is you're going to notice that here is the Globex open right here at midnight East Coast time. And we do get some movement overnight, but notice here from 7 o'clock to right now, which is about 1:15 Eastern Standard Time, there really has not been a whole lot of movement and a whole lot of action. And right now, honestly, I'm about 13, 15, whatever minutes away from cash close on oil, and it is just not moving. So like I've said before, I mean, there are some days that just are not worth trading. It's just not worth messing with. And even though the combine is being done with simulated money, the one thing that the scouts are looking for is they're looking for people that, well, frankly, can control themselves. And what I'm seeing here, all I'm seeing is just slow, sloppy, soggy, sideways movement. And this isn't a day that I would trade my live account. So why would I want to trade my combine or even my simulator. I find that playing around with the simulator, all that really does is help you develop bad habits. So there you have it for the day, the first day of my combine. I did absolutely nothing. Let's hope that tomorrow is a little bit more energetic. However, I am not going to hold my breath, because from what the news is saying, the hurricane did a real number on the East Coast. Okay. All right, well, I hope you found this video to be informative, and if you have any questions, please contact me at ray@realityfuturestrading.com. Thanks, and have a great day.